Hello everyone, in this video we will install Dart SDK in our Windows machine. I will not install Flutter. If you want to see how to install Flutter, VS Code and Android Studio, I will suggest another video in my description and a link will be pop up in this I button. You can watch it to install Flutter, VS Code and Android Studio. So in this video we will install only Dart in our machine to program Dart language. So in order to do that, you have to go to this browser and search for Dart SDK. So the first link here, dart.dev. So go here and scroll down, choose Windows and then scroll down at the last. You will see SDK as zip file. Click on this and here you will see three channels: stable, beta and there will be a dev channel. So we will choose the stable channel and download this Dart SDK SHA-256. So do not download this SHA-256 click again here and you will see a .zip file. Download it. So it will take couple of minutes to download. After that I will show you how to do it. Okay, download has been completed. We have to extract this file. To extract this, choose this and I will extract it in my C drive. So I'll simply choose my C drive and extract it there. Okay, I hope it's done. Okay, let's go to my C drive and for here is the Dart SDK. So go to this bin file and copy this path, and after that you have to go to system environment, search env and here after that go to environment variables. Then there is two kinds of path, user variable and system variable. I will highly recommend you to choose system variable. Go to this path and click on edit, then click on new and add this and okay. Your Dart has been added. So to check, go to PowerShell or command prompt and write Dart -- version. Here it is. The Dart SDK has been added to our Windows machine. After successfully install Dart in our computer, we have to check our Dart code is running or not. I will use VS Code in this case, and you have to install an extension named Dart. I have already installed it, just you have to install it and later go to there and open a folder or create a file here. I'll simply choose it mine called Dart. I'll select this folder and I'll create a hello world file. Write this Dart code as I am writing. Save this file and run it from here. Yeah, as you can see, our program is successfully compiled and run. Thank you so much for watching this video.